Example 5. So we're going to prove that sine squared of theta times cosine of theta times secant of theta is equal to 1 minus cosine squared of theta. So, you want to work the left or the right? I'll be honest, I can only see one thing going on the right. I know that's a Pythagorean identity on the right-hand side. That's just going to make it smaller and not bigger. So I'm going to go ahead and work the left. Well, let's see. I need a 1 minus cosine squared, which I know is what sine squared is, right? But what can I do about this? What do we know about cosine and secant? Wait, cosine and secant, those are reciprocals, aren't they? And what do you get when you multiply two reciprocals? Well, let's see. So for right now, I'm just going to leave this as sine squared of theta times, I have cosine of theta, and secant, remember, is 1 over cosine of theta. And so my cosines will cancel, and I'm left with sine squared of theta over 1, which is just sine squared of theta. And I know from the Pythagorean identity that sine squared of theta is equal to 1 minus cosine squared of theta, and that's what we're after. Now, how did I know to go that route? Well, when I looked at my answer, I kind of said it earlier, when I looked at my answer, I knew 1 minus cosine squared, that's a Pythagorean identity, and it's equal to sine squared. So I knew that once I could get sine squared by itself, then I could use that identity to change it over and solve it.